Need to roll your options position? In this quick tutorial, we will go over how to roll an options position in the desktop trading platform. First, head to the Positions tab. Then, click the symbol group to expand. We'll use a short put vertical for this example. Next, click on each leg. Then right-click in the highlighted area. Here, you have two rolling options, Quick Roll and Roll. Quick Roll will set up a rolling order to the next expiration, and Roll will display the next 4 expirations, and the mid price for the roll. Let's roll this position to the next monthly expiration. After selecting the expiration you wish to roll to, you'll be sent to the Trade tab and an order ticket will appear below. Here you can see the effect of your order and enter your rolling order's price. You can adjust the price by using the arrows. After entering your order, click Review and Send. Here you can review your trade. To make a revision, click Edit Order. Or to clear your order, click Clear Order. When you're ready to send the order, click Send Order. The order will continue working until it expires based on your selected time in force, or when cancelled. If the order fills, another notification will appear in the same place, and your new rolled position will display in your Positions tab.